morning mga Lods, happy Friday, and now I'm going to the market to buy some fish. Magtitinola po ako ngayon, so I will show you how to cook tinola later on. Let's go, let's go. Alright, ito lang po yung ride ko, Wave 125. So mga Lods, around 1 kilometer lang po yung place namin away from the market. So madali lang, around 5 minutes andun ka na. So madadaanan po natin itong Foundation University College, my alma mater. Alright, so nice school, one of the best here in Dumaguete actually. Dito po tayo dito. Clean and green. Padayon. Right, nandito na tayo sa market namin. Natin 1 kilo. Pauwi na po tayo. So nabili natin is bangus 200 per kilo at saka yung mamsa is 360 per kilo. Mga Lods, so pauwi dito tayo sa Dr. Locsin Street, dumaan, dadaanan natin tong ACSAT, Asian College of Science and Technology School, isa sa mga mabuting paaralan dito sa Dumaguete City. And this one naman is the Foundation High School, Foundation University High School. Alright. And I'm home. Pasok po tayo.